heavy, they'll go out too far. That one is cold.
I know.
Up to here. I would say up to here.
Searching for those rocks real hard.
God, they're hard to find. Ah, my knees. This is not easy. This is really difficult. This hurts. You think this is an easy job? Searching a pebble beach for translucent beauties? You got another thing coming, pal. Oh, man. Woo! Looks nice. I found one. This one's beautiful. Look at that.
Ooh.
It's beautiful. It's exactly
Nice
what I'm
shape.
looking for. Bingo. All right, I'm gonna go put these two little devils in the rock pile. All right, I'm gonna go. These rocks will bring you to your knees.
Ow, it does hurt.
Okay. I got a few rocks embedded in my knees and my toes, but I'll be okay. The sand's.
I can't even walk. My feet are tender.
All right, I think we found it. It's a little dirty. Let me polish it up a bit. Just hold on. Stick with me here. Look at that. It's like a translucent white. It's beautiful.
Milky white.
Milky white. That's the type of rock I'm looking for. Maybe like some other colorful blues or some other flavors of rock. I mean, what do you want me to say? Another one. Another one. I love you guys.
Love you.
You're beautiful.
She's sleeping.
Just a night out on the beach. I love you, Georgia, my little beach nugget. You're so beautiful, like Mama. All right. We're still on the hunt for rocks. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna find every damn rock on this beach that has any value or looks delightful. I am due to find a really good one here. Come on. Let me know if you see any that I am missing, because I am not seeing anything. Okay, alright, I see one. I spot one. You see that? That's a big one. Look at that. That is a beauty right there. That's a beauty. Hold that up to the light. That's gorgeous, that one is. Okay. I think this is the biggest one yet. Look at that beautiful one. Oh. Big. Beautiful. There's some rocks that I need you to see. This is also somewhat of a test.
George is just playing with your phone.
All right, well, this is also, it has sand on it.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, you got it off. Okay, it's also somewhat of a test to see if we're on the same page about the rocks. Right?
Hold on, let me shoot there. Sun's not in your eyes
Now, I'm
anymore.
gonna start pulling rocks out. We're gonna see how this goes.
Okay.
I'm gonna dump them right now. I know I got a pocket full of rocks. Let me know how you feel about them.
Oh.
right? I don't have just one pocket full of rocks.
Oh, you got two.
Got a couple pockets of rocks. Yeah, that's right, baby. She's interested. Look, she's interested. Hi, baby.
Got sunglasses indentation on her face.
Yeah, sunglass indentation.
Because she fell asleep on me.
Okay. Let's see here. All right, I want you to pick. Which ones you think are good? Which ones
Okay.
you think are bad?
Let's see. Ooh. Well, right off the bat, this one is good because look at it.
Yeah, it's like
it
a
looks
fossil.
Like a fossil
it's
shell
a fossil,
thing.
so you caught that vibe too.
It looks
yeah,
cool.
that's like
It's
a,
a shell.
It's fossilized. It's like some type of shell.
This one I kind of like. Reminds me of a turtle.
That's. It literally resembles a turtle. It's insane. It's a turtle shell. It's beautiful. Mickey, I can't believe you. That's literally why I brought it back. Tell me that's not one of the coolest rocks.
It looks like a turtle shell.
You don't love that?
Obviously, that's in the key
We'll glaze it and make it look beautiful. All right.
This one, I like the stripe.
It's the stripe. I got it because of the stripe.
I'm not necessarily loving the aesthetic of it, but I like
me neither,
the
but
stripe.
the stripe got me. I only brought it back because of the stripe.
Okay.
I'm not even joking.
This is a no for me.
Which one? Yeah. Hold on. That one is a bigger version. Like, look at it in the sun though. It's a bigger version of like the
I
other.
mean, it's all right. There's nothing crazy special about it.
Yeah, it doesn't have the best look, I guess. Okay, we'll throw that one away.
This one, I like this one.
Well, it's kind of like the others, but it's kind of like
It's got a little bit of pink in it.
and it's got like when it's turning.
Got like a cool stripe.
It's almost like these are like some type of pearls, because like
It's
you know what I'm
cool.
saying? They like take time to refine.
I enjoy that one.
Yeah, and that's like
This
that's
one.
mid transformation.
Ooh, I like this one too. This is
Yeah,
a
that's
yes.
like kind of like the other one.
Ooh,
Beautiful big one.
this one is
Yeah.
eye-catching.
I
Look
loved
at
it.
that son of a bitch.
Literally loved it.
Yes. Ooh, we rolled back in with the others because it wants another compliment.
That one too.
Ooh, I like this one too. This one's nice.
Yeah, it's like the others. That one. Like, we want to get that in the cluster. But look at the unique ones.
Ooh, I
That
like
turtle
this
shell.
little one
Yeah,
too.
beautiful one. That one's
Pretty.
beautiful.
I don't know how I feel about this.
See that one. Yeah, that one's not too special. It looks better when it's. We can get rid of that one. What's that one? You don't love that one?
This one I like.
Yeah, that one's. I knew you were gonna say that.
I like this.
This is
one.
how I know
It
we're on the
reminds
same.
me of like marble.
Okay, this is how I know we're on the same page. You just threw out most of the ones that I were just gonna throw out. I kind of threw in there as like a just to see if we
A
were on the same
test.
page. This one is kind of like the other ones, but this one has way better colors. It's
Yeah.
darker. It's got a great pattern.
See, this one's for me.
Yeah, like this one's not that great. Nah.
I kind of like this one because it's like almost half and half,
Yeah, let me see.
but
that
I
one.
don't know how I feel.
It's got more translucent to it. I don't know how I feel about it either.
This one.
I don't think this is a half to half. We have to be
I
really
feel like
picky.
I could live without this.
Ah, but Mickey, it's a bigger one of the ones.
Okay, then keep that one just for the aesthetic purposes.
All right, that one.
I
I liked that one too. A good color.
Okay, this reminds me of the Voldemort one that you showed me.
Is that the one? Yeah, I know. It's kind of similar. I like that one.
I like this one. It's like kind of shiny. But I don't
Chewing
know.
on Pikachu over there. Should beat him up.
Make sure he doesn't have sand on
See
him.
this one?
Georgia, let me see him. Doesn't have sand on him, does he? No, he's good. You're good to play with him. Yeah, it's like the others.
Yeah.
We need some of those little filler rocks. This one, it's maybe might be too opaque.
Yeah, that's why I threw that one in there, literally to trick you.
And this one almost is like its little twin.
Yeah, it's like a little twin opaque one. Too opaque,
And
not
this
translucent.
This is too opaque too.
Oh, this one's. Why did I even pick this one up?
It looks like a regular ass rock.
You know why I picked it up, Mickey?
Because I wasn't there.
No, to trick you. You picked all the ones that I agreed with.
That turtle shell one is my
Is
favorite.
my. That's the best rock.
Look at you.
The Pikachu over the sunset. As the sun goes down. Georgia, you had a good day so far, baby?
Look, Papa started a fire.
Do you feel warm?
I'm starting to feel warm.
How are my girls doing? My little girl, my little angel. I love you, Georgia.
Yeah.
She's trying to stand. You got sandy toes? You having fun?
I just drank some sand.
You drank some sand.
Yeah. What was that? I think
I don't know whether that was a ham excitement or ham disapproval.
I don't know. That big boy earlier was freaking delicious.
Yeah, well,
I think I could go for another big boy burger.
Me
I would
too.
The sunset
I
is.
bet their chicken tendies are good.
You think so?
If they're $12.99 for 4 of them, yeah.
Yeah, they should be. Seriously though, the freaking sunset is absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful. I got it in like all stages of its like setting.
Yeah. Oh, it's going down right now. Look at that orange beyond the clouds.
I know.
That is a classic sunset. That is like what you want to see in a
I
sunset.
know, it's like purple and orange.
Got the fire going still.
Yeah.
Throw a big log on there. I threw a big honking log on there because I thought, you know.
I got like all the stages.
Nobody on the beach. Just us.
My little
Just the 3 of us.
My little pig.
You'd be a good live stream here.
Yeah. It's so
Dude, it's
pretty.
going down right now. It is literally going down as we speak. Look at it.
I know.
It is setting